everyone, it's Stu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bottom load window tint in a second generation Tundra. These run from 07 to 2021. I'm going to show you all the tools required as well as the step-by-step on how to get this bottom load installed. Okay, let's go over how we're going to take this door card apart so that we can bottom load this window. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just pull this window down, all the way down. Now I'm going to take this door cap here out. Here's one. And then the second one is just down below here. It's just a piece of cloth. That's two. There's a screw here, as well as a screw inside of here. They're both going to be Phillips heads. There goes one. There goes two. And we're just going to put those on the floor mat here. There's also a plastic clip here that I'm just going to punch out. Now this here, you can just pry straight back. And from here, we're going to go ahead and just pull this back, okay? So we're going to start always with this edge here closest. It usually has a little bit of a gap. So you go ahead and pull here. Once we've got everything released all the way around, we can go ahead and just lift up. And that is how you take the door card apart. I'm going to use this little hook here just to capture this door. And just hang it just like so. Now I have this fully open for bottom loading. Okay, we're going to start by cleaning our glass on the outside. We're going to clean the glass itself as well as a little bit of this paint and all the areas directly around. Now let's go clean the inside of the glass. Roll this glass down. We're going to use our 3M scrubby doodle pad. Now I do want to go on the top edge as well, usually the dirtier side. You can also run my towel on top. And we're going to go ahead and squeegee. Use my easy reach card here and just sweeps the sides. Go ahead and roll it all the way down. Go ahead and roll it all the way up. Just squeegee the rest of this water here. My glass is nice and prepped. I am now ready to install using the bottom load method. So I have my pattern here for my driver's side window. I'm just going to put a little bit of water on here, and this is the way I'm going to set up my film in this case. I'm just going to get this on the glass so that it sticks just like so. I'm going to go back to the inside. I've already cleaned the glass, so now we just have to prep it. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean it one more time using my softer blade. I'm going to go ahead and just squeegee. Using a nice 50-50 overlap, making sure I don't miss anything. Go ahead and use my easy reach, sweep my sides. Now I'm going to use a lot of slip, making sure I leave no dry areas. And I'm going to go a little bit heavier on the bottom side here. Now when we bottom load, we're actually going to take the whole liner off. I'm going to go ahead and pull all that off. And we're going to apply slip on this film as well. Once again, I want plenty of slip when I am doing a bottom load. Now the way I'm going to position myself is I'm just going to line myself up with my door. I'm going to go ahead and grab my top corner here, and I'm going to cradle the other side of the film, just like so. Walk it to the inside. I'm going to come in at a 45-degree angle and just slide it down. Now, with my left hand, I do want to be mindful not to be touching my door card, as I could be catching contamination. So I'm going to slowly come down at a 45-degree angle as I start feeding film towards the A-pillar. Once I have cleared this side, I can go ahead and just tuck this in here and continue to go down just like so. From here, we're just going to reposition ourselves center and get this aligned. Find that gap that you like, making sure it's consistent all the way across. Once we're good, we're just going to lock this in. Starting with our soft squeegee, we're just going to get the water out using a nice 50-50. Now my pattern shifted on me a little bit, so I am going to come back and readjust it. So now I'm going to go ahead and squeegee and lock it in using my Blue Max. Get my easy reach card, squeegee my sides. From here, I can just fold the window all the way up. I'm going to add just a little bit more slip down at the bottom. In this case, since we have it exposed, I can just go ahead and squeegee straight down, get the rest of that slip solution out of the film. Still want to cover my easy reach one more time. From here, we're just going to wipe our window down. The inside as well as the outside. We're just going to visually inspect for any contamination. If we see no contamination, we're good to go. And that is how you bottom load the windows on a second generation Tundra.